Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to recover a deleted password in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and go to the three dots. Then go to Settings. From the Settings menu, navigate to Autofill and Passwords. Go to Google Password Manager. If you have backup enabled, you can restore your password from here. If the password was permanently deleted, Chrome cannot directly recover it. But third-party password managers or backup tools may help. If the password was previously synced, we attempted to recover the deleted password in Chrome by checking Save Passwords in Settings and Google Account, while noting backup or password manager options for permanent recovery. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.